Something I think everyone can benefit from knowing in After Effects is how to change the length of your composition. So here we have a comp that has an image sequence that ends at about the middle of the comp, and then there's just a lot of blank area that I want to get rid of. So there are a few ways I can do this, and first off, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcut. So we're going to hit on our keyboard Control or Command K, and that will take us to Composition Settings menu. And here, if you don't want to do the keyboard shortcut, you can also just go up to Composition on your top menu and then go to Composition Settings from there. And here you can see the shortcut. If you haven't memorized it yet, you can always double check there. So we have our Composition Settings. This has a lot of good information for us. And here at the bottom area, we see something called Duration. And this is super helpful. This tells us the number of seconds and then frames after the seconds. So we have a 3-second animation with 22 frames. So it's almost at 4 seconds because it's 24 frames per second. And obviously that's far too long. We have about 1 second and 21 frames of footage here. So we need to shorten it. And I can see, because I've stopped my time slider at the very end of what I want to trim, the time here. So it's 1:21. So if I change this, that will change the length of my comp. And as you can see, it ends at the right spot here, and there's no extra footage or length on my comp. This is great, but I'm going to undo it to show you something else. Okay, so now we're back where we started. What if your time looks different, your timestamp? Right here, I have 44. That is the count of frames I have. I have 45 frames, actually. I just had one extra there. So 45 frames, and it goes on and on beyond 45. If I scroll through, you'll see I'm at 93 here. That's too many frames. So same exact concept. We're going to hit Control K to get that composition settings menu, or like I said, you can do it from the top. And then you're going to go down and you're going to see your duration, and it looks different from the timestamp. The number is just frames. So I need it to be 45 frames. So I'm just going to switch it from 94 to 45. There we go. Exactly what I wanted. And now I can see my frame count there. Pretty cool. One thing, I like it to be time. So I'm going to switch this back to time. And to do that, all you have to do is hit Control and then click on it itself. And there you go. I'm actually going to undo this though. So I'm going to Control Z, because I want to show you another way to change the length of your comp. So here we have the end of our comp. I want it to end, not there because that's blank. I want it to end here. So there are 2 sliders above where I'm at. And it's the first one is just our time navigation slider. So this can kind of decide what we're seeing, and we can zoom in and out that way. That's not the one we want. What we want is to change the work area. So that's this bottom slider. And if I slide it down to where I want my comp to end, find that last frame, slide it right to that. Then I right click over the work area, like I said, and then trim comp to work area. That will also give us the results that we got using our composition settings. So that's a nice, fast, easy and short kind of shortcut way to do it, especially if you like to visually edit things. So that's it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in After Effects where I have a lot more tips and tricks like this. And I appreciate you watching.